Hey everyone, welcome to Tarot Destination. Once again, I am here with your weekly guidance. We shall be checking through the tarot cards what we are going to face in the coming week, what kind of energy is coming, and how we can proceed our week with lot of positivity. So, before starting the reading, first of all, I would like to wish all the people who are celebrating their birthdays in coming week. Wish you a very happy birthday to everyone and enjoy your week happily. So let's start the reading. There is three piles, pile 1, 2, 3. You can select either one pile or more than one pile also, whichever you are drawn to, and you can look for the coming week guidance. So let's start the reading. So if you have selected card 1, section 1, so in that pile there are two cards, the Hermit and the Two of Swords. So in the coming week, what I feel, you are going to have a situation wherein you have to take some decision. It will create little chaos and you will become confused. Some tension will come just because of that decision making. So you may be at crossroad wherein you have to look for some clarification and you are not able to see something clearly. That is going to create little hassle for you, little tension for you. So here the Hermit is talking about you need help of someone Virgo, or some Virgo energy may come forward to help you, to guide you in this scenario, or you have to carry the energy of Virgo. Just look out the options clearly, spend little extra time before taking any decision. So the energy of the week, coming week, what I feel, if you have selected card 1, pile 1, so I feel it is quite slow energy, but at the same time it is provoking you also, it is instigating you also to go fast. It may create confusion also, so mental strain may come. Otherwise Hermit is there to help you. Look for the Virgo energy. If any help you are looking for, some Virgo energy may come and they will help you. So I think you shouldn't be worried. Little caution is required, I guess. Otherwise things are all right. If any decision making or if any confusing state of mind you are going through in the coming week, what I feel, spend little extra time and don't be in hurry. Things will be all right. You need to check the options clearly, pros and cons need to be checked and then take the decisions, right? So if you have selected pile 2 is Page of Swords and the Lovers. So I feel in the coming week something related to your relationship, some information may come, some communication may come, could be some decision making is required, or you have to stand at front and you have to take some decision making kind of thing I'm seeing in coming week. And definitely it is related to relationship. Either it could be your personal relationship with your life partner, it could be your partnership, or it could be at your workplace, could be with the colleagues whom you are very much connected. So this is talking about some close relationship. Some communication is going to happen with regard to close relationship, and some message may come, some information may come with regard to that. If someone is trying to go in a relationship, I think related to that some positive news may come. So during the week I am getting the Gemini and the Aquarius energy. So it one is trying to be very fast and another is trying to be slow. So that kind of conflict also you may feel during the week, but otherwise during the week I do not feel much negativity. Yes, I am seeing as if one person is trying to leave or one person is trying to defend the relationship. This kind of energies also it is coming. So this is the pile 2. Take care in your relationship. If any communication gap it is happening, try to resolve instead of stretching those things, instead of just taking more time on that. You do not need to spend a lot of negativity on that because that is not at all required. Some solution may come through some Aquarius, so not to worry, the Aquarius energy will come and try to resolve the if any problems are happening between the people. So just look for the resolution rather any conflict or any negativity. So people who have selected pile 3 is two of wands and queen of cups. Here one fire energy is there, one water energy is there. So what I feel, some fire and water, they are trying to do something together. There is a female energy I am seeing around you who is trying to distract you, and you are under the planning. So coming week, what I feel, some planning or something you will be doing regarding your project or something, some planning, some new options you are looking for, and you have to take some decision. For that you have to plan something, and there will be some Pisces energy. Either she may create a problem or she may support you. But again I am seeing this person, the queen of cups here, the female energy, the strong feminine energy which I am just getting, as if she is also making some plan, or she is only concerned about her, she is not worried about you. So if it is a couple, there is possibility two different thoughts may come on the particular issue. So little conflict you may feel, because one person is very positive, very passionate, and other person is quite emotional, and that person is busy in their emotional state, they are worried about that only. So if you're planning something, if you're just planning to take any decision, something, if you're looking for any option, I think from somewhere northeast or southeast, any message you may receive, and that is going to be in your favor, that is going to be positive. So people who have selected pile number 3, first of all I would request, please do not only think about yourself, others are also having life. So let them also take some decision, let them also allow to grow. Don't try to be more possessive with regard to the person or the situation, because everyone is having right to grow. So just your emotional concern may create little hassle for the other person's growth. So please try to do help that person rather creating problem. For some people I feel there is going to be some planning definitely, and something very emotional kind of thing it is going to happen. So some relationship connection it could be, if you are looking for the alliances or something. So there is possibility something may work out and you will get the positive result. You are going to connect with the feminine energy like queen of cups here, and the person could be opposite in your nature, because as I already said, one is the fire, one is the water, so both are opposite. But yes, when both will come together, little conflict, but you people are going to enjoy more, because both are having opposite quality. But when they will come together, it will create more fun. Only one thing you need stability, you need little control. So add little earthy quality within you, your relationship going to be great in future. So I hope the reading has resonated with you people. If so, do let us know. Please like and subscribe my channel, and just take care for the coming week. All the very best. Bye bye.